Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lieutenant Jen Halliwell, Public Affairs Officer and narrator for the CF-18 demonstration team. On behalf of Lieutenant General Michael Hood, Commander of the Royal Canadian Air Force, and Major General Christian Juin, Commander of 1 Canadian Air Division, welcome to the Canadian Forces CF-18 Hornet Air Demonstration. Each year, the Royal Canadian Air Force presents a theme through its air demonstration teams. This year, we are joining Canadians across the country as we commemorate Canada's 150th anniversary of Confederation. It is also a time for reflecting about what the Royal Canadian Air Force means to Canada as it continues to defend a country that is founded on its proud military achievements, both at home and abroad. The CF-18 flying here today is a combat aircraft that has not been modified for this air show. In its present configuration, this airplane is capable at flying nearly twice the speed of sound, or 1,500 miles per hour. Let's go live to the cockpit of the CF-18 Hornet and hear from Glib.
Simulcast, go. Good afternoon, North Carolina. This is Captain Matthew Glib Kutryk with the Royal Canadian Air Force, live from the cockpit of Hornet 01. We've got an amazing show lined up for you this afternoon, so without any further ado, let's get to it. Hit the music.
Let's watch and listen as Captain Kutryk lights the afterburners and demonstrates the awesome maneuverability and power of the CF-18 with the impressive takeoff dirty roll and Cuban 8. Buttons on the stick and throttles, thereby eliminating the need to look inside and find that critical switch during aerial combat. Watch now as Clip displays the CF-18's exceptional rolling capabilities. From the right, the Quad 270 roll. Maneuverability of the Hornet. Almost any aircraft can do a normal loop, but very few can perform one like the CF-18. Ladies and gentlemen, with a 7G pull to the vertical, Captain Kutryk and the square loop. scheme on our painted jet was designed by Jim Beliveau from Cold Lake, Alberta, who has designed almost every paint scheme on the demo Hornets since 1993. The design was then brought to life by aircraft structures technicians from Greenwing-Vegasville, Quebec, who specialize in painting these beautiful aircraft. Get your cameras ready as Glib presents this year's beautiful artwork during the top side pass. During this maximum performance turn, look closely for the red-hot afterburner in the tailpipes. Glib is now configuring his aircraft with landing gear, arresting hook, and refueling probe deployed. With everything hanging out, Captain Kutryk sets up for the dirty inverted pass. Of the Hornet at minimum speed, approaching center stage at only 120 miles per hour. From the left, the High Alpha Pass. has selected afterburners again. He is accelerating to almost the speed of sound of over 767 miles per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, the CF-18 Hornet and the unrestricted vertical climb. Let me introduce you to the rest of our team. Today with us we have our East crew from 3-Wing Bakersfield, Quebec, including Sergeant Francois Brisson, Master Corporal Chevy Chevrier, Corporal Pierre-Luc Courtois, Corporal Stephen Malte, and with me here to my right is our safety pilot, Major Daryl Shyatt. Let's give them a round of applause. Is still more than 600 miles per hour. Flying right on the edge of the sound barrier, watch from the right for the high-speed pass. To dedicate this next pass to our American partners who throughout our shared history have remained constant friends and allies to Canada. As we celebrate Canada's 150th birthday, we would like to thank each and every one of you who have welcomed us so warmly here today and every day. From the left, the Canada 150 pass. Captain Kutryk.
Good afternoon again, Captain Kutryk from the cockpit of Hornet 01. I want to say a very special thank you to all the volunteers and organizers that made this amazing air show possible. There's no better place we would rather be than North Carolina this weekend. So to Seymour-Johnson Air Force Base, thank you.
So make sure you give him a wave back because he will be looking. From the right, Captain Kutryk giving you a wave.
you guys on the ground, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on behalf of the wing commanders, Colonel Darcy Molstad and Colonel Paul Doyle, the men and women of 3 and 4 Wing, and the CF-18 demo team, we hoped you enjoyed the demonstration today as much as we enjoyed performing it for you. Remember, we look forward to your comments and photos on our Facebook page, Canadian Forces CF-18 Demo Team. Use hashtag CF-18 Demo. And now back to your airshow announcer, Hugh Oldman.
Thank you very much. And we're going to be watching the tour of flight here in just a moment as we recover the Canadian Forces 18. And then we're going to get Buck Ruckman at the Airshow Center. Sounds simple. He doesn't realize he's going to do it while flying upside down. We don't want to steer the pole holders too much. And Airshow 18 rolling out right now as we'll be recovering, be flying tomorrow. Remember to get some good photographs, post them to the Wings Over Wayne Facebook page.